Situated right between the L and Millennium Park, experience ultimate luxury in the center of it all at Parkline Luxury Apartments in the Loop. One of the newer additions to the neighborhood, this sleek and shiny high-rise was developed by Moceri and Roszak and Thomas Roszak Architecture, opening in February 2021 with serious convenience in mind. Did you know these homes were originally planned to be luxury condos for sale? To think less than 5 years ago, this was just a parking lot tower. Just across the street, you get full access to the Pedway, aka the underground tunnel connecting over 50 different buildings, allowing you to stay warm on your commute. I'm so excited to show you what it's like to live in the heart of Chicago at Parkline. Follow me. LiveChi fans, if you didn't already know, I am here to take the stress out of the move and find you the perfect place in Chicago. Be sure to fill out the jotform in my bio so we can chat today. If you're looking for luxury in Chicago, you've come to the right place. We find you the best apartments in the city so you don't have to. Subscribe to our channel and see what it's really like to live in the Windy City's top properties. Parkline Apartments could not be more perfectly parked in the middle of everything. Perching 26 stories up, Parkline possesses a boutique vibe with just 189 apartments, from smart studios with balconies up to large 2 and 3 bedrooms with outdoor space. Plus, a prosperous penthouse collection made up of 24 homes ranging from 3 and 4 bedrooms, starting over 2,000 square feet with tremendous private terraces. I cannot wait to show you a few. Be sure to stay tuned until the end. Step inside this clever and cozy 1-bedroom at 674 square feet with a sliding door to the large bedroom, saving space in both rooms and offering the perfect blend of openness and privacy, the best of both worlds. You will feel all the energy of the city watching the train zip by from your west-facing balcony with the sunsets peeking through all the buildings surrounding you. Picture yourself exploring all the different neighborhoods of Chicago with every CTA at your door. This location is the essence of Chicago. I love how the interior industrial ambiance and exposed concrete ceilings mock the surrounding neighborhood, pulling the outside elements in. The apartments have nice big deep sinks in the kitchen, gas ranges and dishwashers, plus washer and dryer in unit and closets with built-in shelving systems to maximize storage in all of the homes. But being in this location, you may find yourself exploring the area more than staying in. You have the peaceful parks and the lake bordering you on the east, while the hustle and bustle of the city waits for you on the west, with tons of shops and theaters around you. You really can't beat this scene. Can't you see yourself easily walking over 5 miles, exploring all the hidden gems within Millennium Park and along the Lakefront Trail on the weekend? Have you seen the field of sunflowers along Lakeshore Drive? It takes me to another world. I love it. I don't know about you, but after all that walking, I'm starving. And when I'm in the Loop, I'm definitely stopping at the Dearborn for their bomb burger. Their menu is great and changes up sometimes, and sometimes they have live music. It's a perfect place to grab a bite before a show. Now let's check out some 2-bedrooms. You will immediately be drawn to this baller balcony overlooking Lake Michigan and Millennium Park in this unique southeast corner 2-bed on the 12th floor. Surrounded by windows and light, you'll appreciate expansive metropolitan views that are especially rare to Parkline, including all the details of the Chicago Cultural Center and all of the murals on the buildings around. It makes this apartment feel way bigger than 1,162 square feet, and not many residents get these angles of the city. There's a designated dining area here in the corner to really soak up the views, with a separate open living room area connecting both rooms to the killer kitchen with a large island and tons of storage. The bedrooms are on opposite sides of the apartment, making for 2 private sleeping quarters. This 2-bed, 2-bath on the southwest corner is more traditional and squared off, with loads of windows and more private outdoor space overlooking the historic Jewelers Row. Personally, I would put a nice, long dining room table in this nook, with chairs all around, making it feel like it was built in. Remember, these apartments were originally built to be sold as luxury condos, so you won't spare any space on the bedrooms or closets and all of the little things. Lots of the apartments have balconies here, but don't forget about all the common roof deck spaces throughout the property too. Even from the 4th floor Park Terrace, you'll love the lush park and serene water views as you cozy up by the fire and take it all in. So even if you have a roommate, you can still enjoy your own space at home throughout the building. There's several workspaces and lounges with Wi-Fi throughout to work from home or just lay low and read a book. Hang out and cook out with some friends and residents at the outdoor grills. These walls open up in the summer for the perfect indoor-outdoor flow. I know a lot of people find it convenient to have an indoor pool for year-round laps. And who doesn't love a hot tub to relax at the end of the day or work out? Now, to end your eager anticipation, I present to you the opulent penthouse collection at Parkline, Chicago. Be prepared to be dazzled with any one of the 24 oversized penthouses on the upper 20 to 25th floors of the property, with 3 to 4 homes per floor. When the property originally opened, these penthouses were still up for sale, while the 189 apartments on the lower levels had converted to apartments for rent before opening. Comment below and tell us if you would buy one of these penthouses if they went back up for sale. So each penthouse's luxury finishes vary a bit, but of course, they will all feature a chef's kitchen fully decked out with Snadero cabinetry, Wolf ranges, Sub-Zero refrigerators, trash drawers, even a wet bar with Sub-Zero bevy center, Nest thermostats, full-size LG washer and dryer within your designated laundry room, and an oversized private terrace with stellar cityscape views. I know, it's a lot. Starting off small is the rare Residence 22D. This 3-bed, 3.5 bath sprawls 2,136 square feet, plus a private 9 by 26 foot covered terrace with a gas line hookup on the 22nd floor northeast corner. I love how this feels more like a home than a high-rise condo apartment. With separate defined living areas that are still connected and open without sacrificing the 12 floor-to-ceiling windows throughout your living, kitchen, dining, and family area. Look, I'm someone who loves to cook and host, but I don't even know what I could fill all of these kitchen cabinets with. There's room for every kitchen appliance out there in this Parkline penthouse. This one features a modern gray palette theme throughout the kitchen. You will die for this corner primary suite with incredible views of the Jewelers Building, where you can nearly see every detail of the Bean in Millennium Park. 180-degree views can't be beat. Okay, before I move in, let me show you the other penthouse suites. Moving on up. This next largest penthouse expands 2,250 square feet, plus a private 9 by 27.5 foot sun-soaked terrace facing northwest, with more iconic Chicago views and even peeps of the river. I love how super open this living space is and how there's room for dining right next to your massive kitchen, this time with a warm and welcoming Scandinavian finish throughout. But surprise, before the third bedroom and after the wet bar, you'll find this ridiculous corner sitting room where you can sip your favorite cocktail and take in the rich perspective of the city. The primary suite is 13 by almost 17 feet, plus a walk-in wardrobe that will blow your socks off. I don't think I've even seen a $1 million home with a closet this sizable. I hope you're pumped now. I have 2 more sick penthouses that you're going to want to see. LiveChi fans, comment below and tell us which Parkline penthouse is your favorite. And be sure to fill out the jot form in our bio or on our website LiveChi.tv for helping find your very own penthouse to call home. Parkline's largest 3-bedroom penthouse on the southeast corner extends over a quarter of the 21st floor. 2,662 square feet of indoor space. Being on this 200 square foot terrace makes you feel like you can touch the Bean from here. So cool. This would be the floor plan for me. Everything is very open but defined. I love to host and I love to have my guests sprawl out and use the whole space, and this would be perfect for that. There's a dining area across from the kitchen, plus a living room in the corner, 10-foot windows, and a sitting area across from the wet bar with more water and park views. Pamper yourself in this luxurious primary ensuite bathroom with heated floors and a nice deep soaking tub. That's if you can find it through this impressive walk-through closet that's 8 by 22 feet. I mean, you can sleep in here. Wow. Just wow. Now for the showstopper. Feel like the center of attention right as you enter this powerful 4-bedroom penthouse placed right in the heart of the city. You will be immediately captivated by the vibrant energy surrounding you. You look left and you look right, and you are gripped by the city. An entertainer's haven awaits, right here in the completely open gourmet kitchen and lavish living room. You are hit with an abundance of space and floor-to-ceiling windows painted with Chicago's skyline. Every single room has incredible views and was thoughtfully designed to provide a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. This 4th bedroom on the south wing would make for a perfect office with sun all day to keep you lifted. Plus, the wet bar's right here for when you need to pour yourself a glass of whiskey at the end of the day. You can put on quite a show here for your guests with this amount of space. And don't forget, you're also in the theater district. Imagine hosting a pre-show party and just walking over to see Hamilton at the Netherlander or Tina Fey and Amy Poehler at the Chicago Theater. No stress of getting dinner reservations or finding where to park. You are home. Truly an urban oasis, you have everything at your fingertips. Tons of fancy restaurants on Michigan Ave, like the Gage and Remington's, to note a couple of my favorites, to Chicago's icons like Cindy's Rooftop and the Bean at Millennium Park. While mixing in other easy on-the-go options like my favorite Sweet Green, rocking some healthy salads, and Poke Poke, where you can build your own bowl of fresh sushi, mixed with any veggies your heart desires. A guilt-free treat, my fave. If you are looking for ultimate convenience and pretty architectural and park views, Parkline Apartments is inviting you home. Did you know you could fill out the jotform on our website at LiveChi.tv for help finding your new apartment home? These are just sneak peeks. Wait until you see the full apartment tours in person. My job is to take the stress out of the move. Be sure to subscribe and share LiveChi with your friends.